Shakshuka is a popular dish of North African and Middle Eastern origin, typically made with eggs poached in a flavorful tomato sauce with aromatic spices. Here I'm going to show you a basic recipe for making shakshuka, and of course you're more than welcome to alter ingredients to your liking. To begin, I'm going to small dice one onion by cutting the onion in half, clean the outside, then cut 1/4 of an inch thick strips, and then cut in the opposite direction to make our small dice, like so. Set aside in a container. Next, we're going to clean 5 to 6 garlic cloves, and I'm cutting the bottoms off, then using the side of my knife, I'm smashing the garlic to release all the essential oils, but this will also make cutting the garlic easier and faster. Add your garlic to the onions and set aside. This last ingredient is optional, but I had them laying around, so I'm small dicing 3 roasted Piquillo peppers just to add to that smoky, peppery flavor for our shakshuka. If you don't have any Piquillo peppers readily available, you can just roast some bell peppers and it'll give the same effect. Set these aside separately from your onions and garlic. Next, grab a cast iron skillet or a pan with a few inch tall sides like so, heat up to medium-high heat and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add your onions and garlic and cook for the next 4 to 5 minutes or until the onions become soft and translucent. Next, add your peppers and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. This is an optional ingredient, but we're going to add Harissa Paste, which is a hot pepper paste native to North Africa. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons and mix to combine. Next, add 2 tablespoons of paprika and 1 tablespoon of ground cumin. Mix to combine and cook for 1 minute. Finally, add 2 cans of crushed tomatoes and let cook for 20 to 30 minutes to develop the flavors. Next, add 1/4 of a cup of water or chicken stock and mix to combine. Finally, try and form, or as I'm doing, attempting to form 3 craters for our poached eggs. Carefully drop 3 eggs in the tomato sauce, then place the lid to cook the eggs. Cook to desired doneness of your eggs, and these took around 5 minutes on low heat. Season the top of the eggs with salt and pepper, and I'm going to finish our shakshuka with chopped parsley and cilantro. Now you're ready to enjoy your aromatic and flavorful shakshuka. Thank you so much for watching, take care of yourself, and happy cooking!